coronavirus. Oh my god, the world's coming to an end. Guys, no, it's not. Chill out, relax. In fact, maybe it's exactly what we need. Because you know what I'm seeing online? Other than the really, really bad news? I'm seeing families spending quality time together. I'm hearing about parents outside playing basketball with their kids. And maybe this is a really, really good thing. It'll help bring the family unit back to what it used to be back when I was a kid. So I'm encouraged as far as that goes. So what can you be doing with this time since, maybe you're off work or whatever the situation may be? Spend that time improving on yourself as an individual. If it's for your job, if you're looking into getting into a new career, sorry, I got the virus. I'm kind of messed up here. Oh my god. So anyway, no, seriously. Spend some time investing in yourself. So sharpen your skills, whatever your job may be. Take some training courses, read a book, start meditating, do whatever you need to do to make yourself a better person. Now, I'm an insurance restoration expert consultant, and I provide all kinds of guidance and training for people in this particular industry. So obviously this video is a little bit catered to that audience and that need. So guys, get on my YouTube page, RKC Toledo. It's loaded with free information. I have 100 and some videos on there. If you guys don't have good CRM systems, I have a video that goes over that. I have videos that go over, dealing with insurance claims and the process and insurance adjusters and all these different things. So I'm not really trying to capitalize on this whole corona thing. I'm just telling you as a person, use this downtime to be productive. See if you can't be a better person, a better husband, a better dad, a smarter business owner. Whatever it is, sharpen your skills. Take advantage of the time. Look at this negative as a positive. I know that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I hope my site can provide some guidance for you guys. And guess what? My phone's always on. I actually get calls from all over the country from my YouTube videos. So if you guys want to learn anything, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section in the videos below. You can email me. You can call me. Take advantage of this crazy scare and do yourself a favor. Become a better person, a smarter person. Spend time with your wife, your kids, and make a personal investment in yourself. Get smarter. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.